come with us to the flea market. Today we might have a little barbecue with some leftover ribs that we have from last break. Anyway, so come with us to the flea market. We're gonna pick up some shirt too because we're gonna have some family games and we feel like we need some uniforms. Okay, so
I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there.
okay guys, so we are now going to the flea market and so we're gonna pick up our family game shirt, and so we leaving. So now we're here, and so this flea market, it's been here for a while. So we used to go to it when we first moved here. It was like so tiny, now it got really big. It expanded and stuff. So and there's like plenty of things you can do there, you can purchase. And we also have vegetables and things like that. So we're just now gonna pick up our shirt and eggplant and stuff that I need for the week. Okay, so we are about to leave, and so I'm gonna go home. And oh wait, I got myself a coconut water. It is so yummy. So we are home and I'm cooking. Just gonna season my meat and add it on the grill. And today we're making some leftover meat I have. So it's cold. Today is a cold day, so I'm just gonna make me some barbecue and some mac and cheese.